Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Optimize login issues, account access errors. If you are experiencing login issues with Google Optimize, follow these steps to resolve account access errors. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure you are connected to a stable network. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Optimize login page. Enter your email address associated with your Google Optimize account and click Next. Input your password and click Sign In. If you receive an error message, verify that you've entered the correct email and password. If necessary, click on Forgot Password to reset your password. Follow the prompts to receive an email with instructions for resetting your password. Once you reset your password, return to the login page and enter your new credentials. If you are still unable to log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache and cookies, close the browser and reopen it. Navigate back to the Google Optimize login page. Try logging in again using your credentials. If the issue persists, test logging in with a different browser or device. You can also ensure that you are not using any extensions that could block login processes. If you are trying to access a shared account, make sure you have the correct permissions. Reach out to your team or admin to confirm that your access has not been revoked. Check for any service status alerts from Google that might indicate ongoing issues with Google Optimize. If all else fails, you may consider contacting Google support for further assistance. Provide any relevant details about your account and the error messages you have encountered. Following these steps will help you troubleshoot and resolve your Google Optimize login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.